Let's make this mouth-watering custard-filled pancake in just 4 minutes. Step 1. Take 2 whole eggs in a bowl and add 30 grams sugar. You can add more or less sugar if you want. Add 2 grams salt. Then add 200 grams milk into it and mix them gently. Step 2. Take 180 grams flour in another bowl. Add 3 grams baking powder. Then slowly add the egg mixture into the flour and mix them. At last add 30 grams cooking oil into the batter. Make sure the oil is neutral and flavorless. Hey, make sure to like the video. Now our batter is ready. Step 3. Let's make the custard cream. Take 3 egg yolks in a bowl and add 60 grams sugar. Mix them until becomes smooth. Then add 30 grams cornstarch and mix properly. Step 4. Take 300 grams milk in a pan and add half a teaspoon vanilla extract into it. Then warm the milk, don't boil the milk. Add the warm milk into the egg yolks mixture and mix it well. After that, move the whole mixture into a pan and cook it until it becomes thick. Then remove the pan from heat and cover the cream with plastic or some plates. Let it cool down for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, uncover the custard cream and mix it until becomes smooth. Hey, please subscribe my channel. Step 5. Take a pancake pan and heat it up. Then add the pancake batter into the pancake molds. And spread the batter using a stick or spoon. When it's 1/3 cooked, spin it 180 degrees so that all sides are cooked well. When it's half cooked, add the custard cream in the middle of the pancake, where the batter is still uncooked. Then take another pancake, flip it and place over the custard cream and make a sandwich. Press it gently so the 2 pancakes stick properly. Now, our mouth-watering custard cream-filled pancake is ready to serve. Tell me, how was the recipe in the comments? And share it with your friends. Love you.